here's a tutorial to make a square pillow panel with 8 pom-poms, and you will use this kind of thread that I ordered on Amazon. Cut 18 cords 6.5 feet long, and then place them on your cord with a lark's head knot. This way. And now we're going to do square knots all the way across. So to do that, you make a 4 and take this one, put it over that one, behind those 2, and up through the loop. Okay. And then on this side, make a P, put this one over that one, behind and up through the loop there. So that has 1. Next one, take 4. That one, make a 4. Over, behind, through the loop. Make a P. Over, under, through. We're going to do 1 row here and then start the next row, leaving out these 2 and starting with these 4. When you get to the 3rd row, you'll see once you add back in the 2 that you left out on the 2nd row, it will create this little loop here, and that is where we are going to add the pom-poms. Just so you know, that's that. Okay, so I did 15 rows, and now we're ready to make the pom-poms. So for this one, I want all the pom-poms to be equal size. So what I'm going to do is do this around 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to cut it here. And then I want 4 pom-poms on each side. So I'm going to need 8 pom-poms. So now I will just take this one I just cut and use that as the template to make, to cut 7 more. So I'm gonna turn this off, so cut 8 total of those. Okay, so once you've cut the cords for the pom-poms, get a the 3mm cord and cut 8 of these 12 inches long. So now make 8 pom-poms, and if you can refer back to my pom-pom video if you want to, but you just wrap those, then tie in the middle with the smaller cord. You end up with this, and then you just trim the sides and make it a nice little pom-pom. So make 8 of those. So the pom-poms are gonna go on the loops. The first one here, and then skip a loop, and then you're gonna add the second one. We have added all 8 pom-poms, and it is ready to be sewn to a panel and made into a pillow.